River, Florida. Let's see if they're catching anything.
You know.
Holy Toledo. So, gallon or two of shrimp in there.
Oh, I'll go fishing or something. I don't leave my trap. Trust anybody. Or I go sit in my car.
They're getting them, apparently. Any luck?
Yeah, I didn't know.
You haven't tossed yet? Oh, they're in this bucket.
No, we haven't tossed yet.
Oh, well, good luck. This guy's getting them. Oh, and a crab, too.
That's your responsibility. I gave it to her. She got to be responsible for it. Here.
This guy's got a couple shrimps. That's how you do it. You put them in a tub. We got quite a few of them.
Not like last night. You're doing pretty good.
So you're baiting them. It looks like.
Shake, 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 and they still fall.
Are they?
One throw will be pretty decent. The rest of them will be small.
Good bait shrimp, I guess. Or you could eat them. You got enough, plenty for sure. Now they're getting them. Guys getting them all.
I just pulled that one in. I caught about 60 of them.
Wow. Shrimps. Free food. So they're getting them. Free shrimps. No alcohol. Just don't let them see it.
Hey.
Hello. Mercy. Oh, that's a haul. Oh, God. Are you a professional?
Yep, she's just no, she's just lucky.
Oh, that was a lucky toss.
Yeah, that's what I think. But she said yes very quick. Yes.
No, I'm thinking that she's professional. Wow. So there's what, a 5 gallon per person limit?
Yeah, 5 gallons per person.
How many you think you got there?
A quarter of 5.
Yeah, we're back. All the shrimps. She goes. Oh. bar her for a couple hours.
Oh yeah, it's worth it. Yeah.
You rent her out for cast net
Yeah.
instruction and
See it? No, oh, normally folks come out here and get it, and they cook the meal on the weekend for us. Things
oh
like
my
that.
god. I don't think I ever seen anybody do that good. Is she just lucky? She's just simply lucky because I've never seen anybody do that good on every toss. Have you ever seen a good night like this?
Um, Back in 2019, yeah, we have some very good night. And then
Yeah, but
the rain come and they run off or they stay in the deep water. They're not coming in and feed.
this is early in the year
Oh yeah.
for the shrimp. I mean, it's just starting.
Compared with last, they are quite bigger than this
At
time.
this
Yeah, last
time of
year.
year, that's what I'm saying. I'm thinking that they're big.
That make me think at the inlet at the St. John River, to all the way to the port.
Right?
They deepen for the
Mayport.
last couple of years. So could be when they stir up the mud, prevent them to moving in a lot like the YouTube. But this year they done. And there will be
Well, they're coming out now because they breed up in there, and then they get big enough to head out
they
this
head out
way.
the ocean. Yeah.
So they're. Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen that many good nights like that. Granted they're not giant, but that's a lot of shrimp on every toss. I think she's a ringer. I think she's a professional, and they imported her from Asia somewhere, and she's probably like a kickboxer or something that specializes in cast net tossing. That's a lot of shrimp. How you cook them?
I don't eat that much. I give it to my brother and sister. And sometimes they cook. And they got so many friendly different way to cook as well.
Well, yeah. I like just butter and garlic.
Yeah.
I broil them in my toaster oven, and
Yeah, went to a little bit bigger. They small, hard to peel it.
yeah. I like to use them for bait too. Fish.
Yeah, for bait. Yeah, what do we call bait side?
What's weird is when I use them when they're running like this, and I catch a bunch of them in the cast net, I do better with the shad and maybe a ladyfish cut up than I do with the shrimp. They won't touch a shrimp. They're like tired of it or
Could
something.
be they will fat on shrimp.
They're tired of eating it. Because I'll tell
It's like
you.
if we put you eat the steak every day, you're going to give
Yeah.
up on it very soon.
The best bait I found out here in this river is ladyfish.
Oh, ladyfish.
Big cut for big catfish,
We keep them for the dip to.
Oh God, that's good bait. People catch a ladyfish and throw it away. I'm like, what are you doing? Give me that. They're like, you eat it? I'm like, no, you don't want to try. Cell phone signal. Oh, we're back again. We lost all our viewers. Moved to a new spot. Look at you. Oh, that's a nice catch. Getting it all on video for prosperity, Well, yeah.
That's $10 a pound. If you going fishing, you bought for shrimp bait.
Yeah, the guy That's about what he sells it for there on the corner. No, not at the bait store. That boat place at the end of the town there when you're headed across the bridge there. It's good shrimp too. You can eat it or use it for bait. All right, bags and bags of them. Coolness. 70s, the hippies would use it. You know, it's like somebody. Yeah, they had some good herb or some money they found. It'd be like, oh, that's righteous.
That's California.
Yeah, maybe more hillbilly down here. And we're like, yeah. Shrimps everywhere. Little baby shrimps. So, bucket filling up.
Yep, not bad. Just a couple throws.
And
Or
you're
surprise.
baiting them with what?
Well, I got to make the shrimp meal. We haven't baited them yet. We're just going after
I thought I saw.
Have you?
Yeah, right there, a bag of something under
That's
there,
shrimp
under
meal.
the chair. All right, there we have it. That's 2022 shrimp run. I'd say it's kicking in pretty good gear. People what are baiting them and all. Right, so hope everybody enjoyed that. I know I did. I love to see people catching free food.